What is going on, my beautiful dolls and divas? We are in for another salon creation, doing what I love to do, and that is building confidence here at Posh Hair Design. So, by me being a non-surgical hair loss replacement specialist and trichologist, I have a arsenal of tools and illusions that I'm able to give all of my dolls here at the salon. We already went ahead and did our consultation. She's getting a cranial prosthesis and a short and sassy look. So we're going to use what she has left around her sides and back and give her the ability to wear her own hair and not have to wear a full wig and always be covered up. Went in and did a relaxer around the perimeter. I only do relaxers for my guests who have scarring alopecia, who desires to wear their hair in a nice short cut so it can lay to perfection. I'm going in with my clippers and my edgers and all that stuff to make sure that that canvas, her hair, her head, her scalp is all the way free from any kind of hair. In order for the polyurethane and the cranial prosthesis to adhere and, have a good suction and last her for a nice amount of time, we make sure that it's no hair there. As we went ahead and rinsed her out and shampooed and deep conditioned her, yes, you still get a lot of hair care up in here regardless of what's going on. Just because you have hair loss does not mean we're going to be neglectful. Are we? We're not. We're going to use my favorite new foam composure to, set that foundation and, wrap her to create a nice mold prior to applying the cranial prosthesis. So this is just something I do here at the salon because the base and the mold is the most important. Now, these new wraps that I got from Red, baby, they are the bomb.com. Now, I am using a medical grade adhesive. The first application, I go ahead and use a water-based product. And we always make sure that we do a, patch test to see if a guest have any issues with any, allergic reactions or anything like that. You can use whatever you desire, but being certified in non-surgical hair loss, we get the good stuff. She can go swimming. We could go ahead and do her weave maintenance. She could shampoo it. She comes in every 4 weeks, 3 weeks if she desires. This cranial prosthesis can last her up to 6 months. Yes, with going ahead and doing the whole reinstallation and all that good stuff. We're going to give her a nice, she loving that cut, child. We're going to go ahead and give her a nice, full front boy cut type of thing going on to give her the ability to, if she wants to go a little shorter, she can get her money worth out of this cranial prosthesis. By going in so short, you might be limited to the style. And me being the creative that I am, I like versatility. So I want them to go ahead and, have a little bit more length, play with it for a couple of months. And then if they want to decide to go ahead and go a little shorter, go ahead. That's just something I like to do. But, we all did that in the consultation. So right now I'm going through and point cutting to make sure that, I have the dimensions and the textures that I desire. And with my Babyliss, make sure you comment, subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. Leave your comments below. Make sure you go on www.officialposhhair.com. But I'm just going through and adding in my curls. I like to let my curls bake, meaning they set before I style. So I'm just going ahead. They look like old lady gang, but guess what, baby? It's going to look fly after I go ahead and style it. So We're going in with my 2-inch and my 1-inch Bay Bliss. I'm just rotating my different irons. I sped it up just because it's not a tutorial. I'm just showing you my little salon creation, showing you what I do here at Posh Hair Designs. If you in the Atlanta, Georgia area, make sure you shout me out and come through and all that stuff, you know. And just going ahead and just curling and curling away. Prior to me curling, I forgot to say that I already added all my finishing products prior to me curling. So I add in my holding spray, I add in my shine, I put in a little tiny bit of my curling wax in for sheen. I do not like heavy hair, so my guests can last for 3 to 4 weeks. They're already going to accumulate oil on their own. So, you know, I do all that prior to curling, and the styling foam as well sets in my foundation and give me another layer of hold, you know. So that's just something I do. You could do it how you want, curl how you want. I ain't telling nobody in these YouTube streets what to do, okay? So I'll try to go ahead and give you different angles of me in action curling, and she got her sides together, and we are just having a good time. Finishing off with my holding spray. So I spray before and I spray after. It's a flexible hold. And we're going to go ahead and lights, camera, action, dolls, and divos. Let me know how you feel about this hair transformation. I had a great time. I mean, I basically kidnapped her, right? Great time doing this hair transformation. She's able to scratch her scalp. This is not no lace closure, baby. When you're getting a cranial prosthesis, using certain daggone foundations as polyurethane like we use, you can sweat, have menopause. You can go ahead and, you know, scratch the unit itself, because guess what? It's not, you know, ventilated in by hand. It's injected by, you know, technology. So by being injected with a machine, you don't have to worry about the, you know, the hair coming out and going bald with the medical grade cranial prosthesis. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I wanted to go ahead and show you without the shield, because the shield kind of, you know, prevents us, you know, showing the real tea. Real scalp. She could part it how she wants to. Okay. Frontal who? Quick weave where? Not here. Not at Posh Hair Designs. Go on www.officialposhhair.com. I know you got tired of my voice, but guess what? I ain't got time messing with these YouTube streets and these copyright music videos. So I'm going to go ahead and talk through these videos for a moment until I figure it out, okay? Subscribe, like, because every week you're going to get some new content. Look at that headline. Look at that headline. Lies, you tell. Until next time, dolls and divos, I hope you like it. Deuces. Put yourself first.